So Mariah came in with some soreness and tightness from working out, doing some online NXPT workouts, and she's just got a little bit of tightness and soreness in her mid back, neck, and kind of lower back. So we're gonna get some motion in there. Nice breath in here. Let that all the way out. Perfect. Excellent. Very, very good. And then here we're just gonna give it a little stretch and see if we can get some motion when we stretch. We don't have to put a lot of force into the adjustments. If we're just specific, we can get exactly the motion we need wherever we want it. Beautiful. Excellent. On your back, please. Good. Doing very well. So we're going to check her neck and see if there's anything that we left to be adjusted, but I think we got most of it when she was face down there. Pretty good. A little bit of tightness here on the left side, not too much. Yeah, we got pretty much most of it there. All right, come on up. I'll get your low back taken care of in a second. How'd that feel in your neck though, at least?
A lot better.
Yeah.
Feels like I can move, and stand up straighter than I could before, move better than I did before also.
Cool. And
Loose.
painful on the adjustment or for the most
Not
part?
at all, relieving if anything.
Yeah.
Kind of, it was felt really locked and tight, but now it's, I feel more loose.
Sweet. Awesome. Thanks, Brian.